Everyone, this is a video about how I fly my Mavic Pro drone on a boat, a small boat actually, in Royal Belum Perak. Also, here we don't have any mobile signal and I just rely fully on the GPS satellite. Also here, I try to do the follow me mode, but the signal keep weakening every time the drone fly a little bit far away from me. Okay, here's the part when I lost my first signal and I try to regain my signal, but the apps always crash on my mobile phone. So from here I control it manually and try again to connect with the apps and reboot my apps. So yeah, the first rule is when you fly your drone like a place like this, always make sure your drone is nearby. Don't fly it far away and cannot see your drone, because something might happen and you can control your drone manually. Yes, and number two, if your what do you call it, the apps crash or turn blank, you can restart it few times and try to just try. If cannot, you must land your drone as soon as possible. As you can see here I regain back my control over my drone and I do the following mode. Yeah, it's doing fine and record some nice footage. And yes, and this part I lost the drone again, have to control it manually again. So this is the second time my apps crash and I have to control it manually. But I try a few times to restart my apps, the DJI 4, to gain control again. Okay, this time I can gain back my drone, but only for a few seconds and I lost my control over the drone again. So I control it manually and I try to restart the apps. And how I fly the drone is I just fly it up and down so that it won't crash onto the lake. Okay, this is the time I was give up and try to go back to the boathouse and land it there. Okay, at last I managed to land my drone on the houseboat. So here's some simple tips, guys. Number one is always know how to use your hand to take off and land. Number two, make sure your drone is always on your side. Number three, if your app crashes, make sure you restart your apps, the DJI 4 Go. So yeah, thank you very much for your time. I hope some of you can learn from this video. Always take care, be careful, look at your surroundings, and selamat malam.